If you are a plant-based dieter or you are switching to a plant-based diet and looking for a meat substitute, mushrooms are great options out there. Mushrooms contain a high level of nutritional values that fit our daily and healthy lifestyle. In this video, I'm gonna share all the mushrooms' nutritional benefits and an easy and delicious recipe. Let's dive in now. Welcome to Healthy Palace. My name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. Mushrooms are rich resources of vitamins and minerals. Even though mushrooms are not packed with protein, they are no doubt one of the great meat substitutes in nutrition and texture. They are rich in vitamins. For example, selenium, zinc, vitamin B1, B2, B5, B6, and B12. Moreover, they are full of substances of antioxidants, and they do not contain fat and carbohydrates. Mushrooms are the only vegetable that contain vitamin D naturally as a result of their exposure to sunlight. Mushrooms has a flavor known as umami that tends to be very satisfying, which makes it ideal to add to pasta sauce, for example, to maintain a rich flavor and texture while reducing or eliminating the meat it contains. In dishes that contain large amounts of meat, you can remove a quarter to a half of the meat and replace with mushrooms to reduce calories and keep it delicious. You can also create a vegetarian dish by substituting mushrooms with meat or poultry in the recipe. However, in this case, make sure the meal also includes a good source of protein. For example, a half cup of beans or quarter cup of nuts. Sponge-like ability to absorb flavor. It's more than colors and the texture of the mushroom, and their sponge-like ability to absorb flavor that make them a popular stand-in for meat. They can be roasted, grilled, or fried, shredded to mimic the pulled pork, chopped and sauteed, much like the ground meats. For savory fillings, patties, pasta sauces, even in combination with chopped nuts or soft lentils. Now you learn all the reasons why mushrooms are a great meat substitute. I'll introduce an easy but delicious recipe you can try. The recipe is very simple. It only takes 10 minutes to prepare the ingredients and cook. The step 1 is prepare the ingredients. About 200 grams of wild mushrooms, 2 small red peppers, some garlic cloves, or I use garlic paste for convenience, and salt and pepper for flavor. Step 2. Chop mushrooms into quarters or the shape you like. Chop red peppers into rings and set aside for later use. Heat the olive oil in a cooking pan. Add the garlic paste or chop the garlic in the oil and wait for like a minute. Step 3. Add the mushrooms to the cooking pan and stir fry for 5 minutes before adding salt and pepper. Step 4. Keep stirring till mushrooms release the water and all that water cooked out. Step 5. Once the mushrooms are done, remove the mushroom to a plate and set aside for later use. Step 6. Add a little oil to the pan and keep the heat on, and add the red pepper and saute for 2 minutes. Step 7. Once the red peppers are done, pour the red pepper on top of the mushrooms and it's ready to serve. Please note you can use any other kind of vegetables you like as toppings. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for similar content. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Stay healthy. I'll talk to you soon.